Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma mentaka sengi ulaya KYNDUH ya ka kenhun ki MDC jong ka KHADC hapok ka jingyalam jong UCEM ban IAKREN HALOR ka jing pentrai kam ya ka Code of Criminal Procedure bat ya ka Code of Civil Procedure ha ka Jela Meghalaya barok ka wei. Habakren hakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingya KYNDUH ya ki MDC jong ka KHADC Menteri Rangba ka Jela ulaong ba ka jing pentrai kam ya ka CRPC bat ya ka CPC kan keta ya ki bor bishar jong ka District Council namar ki District Council ki yo ya ki bor ban bishar na ka para 4 bat para 5 ka 6 schedule. Hakani ka jingyalang Menteri Rangba ka Jela ulaong ba ula pensyai bahas ya ki MDC jong ka KHADC hakaba ulaong ba kan namla ban keta ya ki bor jong ka District Council kane ka jingpen bena ka sorkar ka longtang na ka benta kitu ki yeng bishar ki badai na ki DC menshwa bat mentala pihak ya ka jing trekam hapdeng ka yeng bishar bat ki officer.
The state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet, and also we have discussed this matter with the district council. This is the second time that we are having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question. The provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification can supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where conclusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way, and this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary. Thank you very much.